very sweet though. Oh, very nice. Tell me guys, how do you preserve this? Tell me the easiest and best way to preserve this fish. I have a method that I preserve with, but I would like to know if the method you preserve with. Now this one will last me for 6 months or below. Can you guess how much I bought this fish? Can you guess how much this fish is worth? If you can guess correctly how much I bought this fish, how much is worth in Naira? If you're a Nigerian, you get a chat card of 500 Naira. MTN card of 500 Naira.